Hey there, rockers of the world. Here I am in a more vloggy style today. I am at my parents' house here in Ericeira. I don't know if you can see, but there's the sea, so it's really cool. And I don't have my studio here, so I'll be just doing some quick updates in my mobile. So, um, to keep you updated, I am continuing to work on my next online course. Um, I am working on it for quite a while. It's called JavaScript Rocks, and it will be um, it will be ready. I don't know. In a few months, I think. I'll have um, to record it, and I am writing the exercises now and all that. So everything takes a lot of time when you are doing an online course. It's crazy, but yeah, I'm continuing to work on that, and so I just wanted to keep you updated with that, and as well as my blockchain efforts. So I'm working. I'm also a candidate in DTube chain, um, and I am working a little bit on that because yeah, there's it's a project that I love, and it was for those that don't know, it was the origin of these sounds. So it's a project that I invested on as well when they decided to launch their new chain, and yeah, I joined the guys, and I'm trying to help out. So lately, like 2 days ago or something, I implemented some bot, some Telegram bot to manage how people are producing blocks and raise some alerts when people stop producing blocks, when there's some problem with some node. And yeah, it's working quite well. Um, well, yesterday I made some upgrades to that bot so that we can have less spam if someone just starts missing all the blocks because the node is down or something like that. And it seems to be working as well. Last night there was some outage in a few leaders and small ones, and it sent a message when they started missing blocks in the middle, a few, and finalization message telling that they are producing again, or if they were taken out of schedule. So yeah, it's a nice way to be notified of if there's something wrong, and it's available for anyone that wants to join that channel. So any leader that has a running node might be receiving alerts for outages in the system, and it's very important, I think. So just wanted to keep you updated as well on that. And yeah, yesterday, Tech Coder X he just suggested another thing for the alerter bot. I am thinking about that, and another improvement as well to instead of relying on an API that I'm using right now, just using the block stream and searching for missing blocks. That's an alternative. I will take a look at that. And also an interesting thing, which is having another alerter for API outages. I will be thinking about it as well in the next few days. So yeah, this is my update. I just wanted to do a quick vlog about this, and yeah, let's keep rocking. Cheers.